NCERT Physics Class 11th 8th chapter, which is Gravitation, question number 8.18. So in this we are given that the escape speed of projectile on a surface is 11.2 km per second. If the body is projected with thrice the escape speed, what is the speed of body far away from the earth? So in this we can say that in case of escape speed, in case of escape speed, what we can say that in case of escape speed, let's say v final is equal to 0. Now by using conservation of energy, initial kinetic energy plus initial potential energy is equal to final kinetic energy plus final potential energy. So in order to make just escape the particle, the final kinetic energy would be 0 and final potential energy would also be 0. So initial kinetic energy can be written as half m into v escape square plus potential energy, that is equal to minus g m1 m2 by r, radius of earth. So from this we get a relation that v escape square by 2 is equal to g capital M upon radius of earth, where capital M is the mass of earth and small m is mass of particle. Now in this situation, the speed is not VES, but in this time the speed is V is equal to 3 times escape speed. Now using conservation of energy, we can say that initial kinetic energy can be written as half m into v square. The value of v can be written from this point, plus kinetic and plus potential energy, that is equal to minus g m1 m2 by capital R. Finally, at infinity, the potential energy would be 0, and at infinity, the kinetic energy can be written as half m into v dash square plus potential energy 0. This is potential energy at infinity, as h is very large, so potential energy would be 0. So from this we can say the m get cancelled out. Gm by r, the value of gm by r can be substituted as ves square by 2. So v square, that is equal to 3 times v velocity of escape square. So the value of v can be written as 9 times ves square by 2 minus of ves square by 2, and this is equal to v dash square by 2. So this 2 is get cancelled out. So from this we have 8 escape velocity square is equal to final velocity square. So in this we have v dash is equal to final velocity, and the value of final velocity comes out to be under root of 8 into VES. So this can be written as the value of VES is equal to 11.2 into root 8. So this is almost equal to 31.68 kilometer per second.